Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. One day the people of a certain country heard a mighty rumbling in a nearby mountain. Smoke was pouring from the summit. The earth was trembling and great rocks came hurtling down into the valley. The mountain seemed to be in labor, and all the people rushed to a vantage point where they could see what terrible thing was about to happen. They waited and waited while the sky grew dark and the rumblings and thunderings increased. Finally, as the people watched, there was one earthquake more violent than all the others. Suddenly, a huge fissure appeared in the side of the mountain. The people threw themselves down upon their knees. Some of them fainted. All the rest waited with bated breath to see what would happen next. The thundering stopped. A deep silence fell, and out of the gap in the side of the mountain popped a mouse. The name of the story, The Mountain in Labor. Moral: magnificent promises often end in paltry performances. The second story. A certain knight, observing himself in the mirror one day, noted that he was growing old. His hair no longer grew as luxuriantly upon his head as once it had. Indeed, he had become quite bald. To conceal such a noticeable imperfection, he ordered a very handsome periwig. One day, with a group of his friends, he went riding to the hounds. He was dressed in his gayest apparel, and on his naked pate he wore his brand new wig. A sudden gust of wind snatched off the knight's toupee, exposing his bald noggin, much to the amusement of his companions. He himself laughed as loud as anybody, saying, "How was it to be expected that I should keep someone else's hair upon my head when my own would not stay there?" The name of the story, The Bald Knight. The moral: thy pride is but the prologue of thy shame. Now, daily motivational quote. It's not what you do once in a while, it's what you do day in and day out that makes the difference. Jenny Craig. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.